Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. I'm happy to have you here. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a voting poll in Google Form. So I want you to ensure that you're properly signed in to your Google Form, and you can achieve that by heading to your Google Chrome browser and just typing in Google Forms, and it will take you to this Google Form dashboard. Another way you can get signed in properly is to ensure that you head over to your Google Drive and then select the option Google Form, and you would get yourself properly signed in. Now, to show you how to create a voting poll in Google Form, the first thing you want to do is start a new form or create a new form, a blank form, or you want to work with an already existing form that you've created. So I'll just pick this form and we'll get straight into the video. So this is an example of a form where I want to create a voting poll. The first thing you want to do is insert your question. For instance, I have this question already typed in: who is the president of the USA? I can decide to add questions, ask questions like what's your favorite color? What's the capital of your city? Whatever questions that is important to my respondent, or whatever question that pertains to this particular Google form. After doing that, you want to head over to add the options. Let's say option A is Adam, and then option B is Janie. Let's have Janie type there. Then option C is you know who, Donald Trump. So after typing in my question, I want to ensure that it's in multiple choice, alright? And before you type in your options, ensure it's in multiple choice so you can have the voting effect. After doing that, just ensure that you open up this toggle required if it's not already up, so you can have your answer key. You can decide to set the points that you want for your questions, the points you want this question to have. And after doing that, you can just head over to the top over here to this eye icon, click on it, and you would see what your voting poll looks like. So this is what it looks like, and this is how it will appear to your respondents. Right after doing that, you just head back here and then publish your Google form. So you just click on this and then you would get it published. First of all, you copy the link and then send it to your respondent and then get it published. So this is how you can effectively create a voting poll in Google Form. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was enlightening for you. Until next time, bye for now.